Hello YouTube, it's Dylan, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to draw Mater from the Cars franchise, the tow truck. And to do that, we need to have a sideways paper, and in this video, I'm going to be using a grayscale marker to create a very loose drawing that gives us an idea on where things will be and what will be put in it, and then we're going to commit to the final clean drawing with a black Sharpie marker. If you don't have one of these, that's okay. You can use a pencil instead. And let's draw Mater. So let's start by drawing a kind of a box like we kind of do with most vehicles. It's basically gonna start with the front side because Mater's a tow truck, which means he has another side, and it's going to be a little bit leaned up because unlike most vehicles, cars can move their bodies, if you've seen the movie. And keep it very loose. Don't worry about anything. Just kind of arching him a little bit. And then we got to give him some headlights. They're basically kind of circular. Or you can just draw tubes. And we can't forget his grill. And we can't forget his, lower kind of edge. And we need to make sure his wheels this wheel's going to be turned a little bit too to make it a really interesting drawing of our character. And we should also try and do the same thing over here. And we should also get his upper side. And we also need to get his eyelids. And make the lower eyelid a little bit like this, so we can give him like a little bit of a cheeky expression. He is kind of cheeky. And now we should also get his side window. And we're going to put the outer edge of his back wheel. And don't forget his back wheel. And his back wheel kind of has like 2 tires on it. Okay. Now, let's get... Don't forget, these are his mirrors. And we must not at all forget his signature tow hook. Make sure you get the ropes. And his light. And give him one of his valuable dents. And we must also get his mouth. And don't forget his back teeth. And that'll pretty much do. So now we've got a very nice and loose grayscale drawing of our character. And now it's time to really commit to your drawing with a black Sharpie marker. And be very careful. Now, let's clean this up and really define what we want in this drawing. And don't forget his light. Just be very careful. Maybe start with the more simpler stuff. And don't forget the lower edge of him. And we can't forget his grill. And we should also get the front of the grill. and get his further details. And get the details on his wheels. And put a bolt. And don't forget his backside. Just take your time with this. Okay. And now we're going to get his eyes. And his eyelids too. And you can get his eyes in. And also put his black pupils in there too. And some highlights as well. And put a bar. And now let's get his other mirror. And we'll then get his And now we should also get the ropes and his hook and make the rope lines a little bit thicker. And a few more details, like his eyes. And then we can get his mouth. And now we can fill in his mouth a little. And then we could also maybe give him a little shadow. And there, we have Tow Mater. I hope this video helped you, and I hope you had fun. And if it did, please give a like, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time. Bye.